Hey, Dr. Fed. Oh, what do you want now? Look at this. This is a fake. And it's squeaky toy. And it's not able to talk. And it's not moving. See? Don't just stand. Think a different plan. Think a different plan right here, right now.
Yes, sir. So Simbad.
Oh yeah, that's pretty impressive, Janish. Well, now... Hi, what is it? Oh! Simbad! I found you! Oh, Josh! Yes, I came back to you. Well, why wouldn't I? Oh, I'm so glad to see you.
Who are you?
What, me? Who am I? I'm Josh. I'm Simbad's best friend. And I am with him.
Oh.
Oh, good luck. That. Oh, good. Where you belong. Take good care of him, Josh. Why, thank you. Come on, Simbad. That's right, best pals. That's strange.
Wow. Wow, so that's racing. Yep, it is the time attack today. Yeah, but it starts tomorrow. Yeah, at least all our race courses are empty. Maybe I'll just go ahead and speed around. Oh, good.
I finally found them. But how can I make another plan? Oh yes, a new apprentice. Listen up, my apprentice, Heather. Courtney is going to tell the speech about the pirates about who failed the mission last year. But I knew was simple. Yeah, but where's your old apprentice? Well, Beardo Arg has died many years ago after his pass-away mission. After the race ends in Season 1, we failed. But I had a new plan. I escaped to jail many months ago. You escaped in many months ago? Well, yes. Yes, I did. So, it's good to be a real captain again. And I have my weapons. Daisy Babe. But don't just stand there, just do something. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, he's coming. The last lap. Did I made it? You have the timer, but yes, you made it. Oh, what do you know? I passed it. Yeah, it's a good thing I could see the show for the first time. Wait, you never seen this show in Season 1? No? Oh, but, yeah, maybe they could call the classic Woodpecker racing episodes are here. And now, I'm gonna have to show you later. This time, many years ago, many months ago, I have a racing tournament. I replaced the villains only race called the Woodpecker Racing Series. Oh, that's cool. But then, I have a racing tournament and I won the first race on episode 1. But Chris, he disqualified to Lucius forever. What did he do that? Yep, that's it. That's Chris make Lucius mad because Grandpa Feather has lost a race because he was asleep. Oh, but in the second episode, the pirates have blocked the race because Clarence couldn't kill Beardo Arg. Who's Beardo Arg? The one he was in London in the different episodes. Oh yes, I did. But then he was trying to use the laser camera because they trying to sabotage the race for the second time. And episode 3 with challenge Bommy Exploderson, my friend, because he win, but he broke the number 1 rule, so he is disqualified. But then having because at episode 4 the cherries are in a race against me, but the pirates are not here because it's peaceful now. But then in the time attack episode 6 on the time attack with Kevin, Stuart, and Bob, they stopped the pirates villain, and then the pirates sabotaged the race for the 3rd time, and he got destroyed the ships 2 times. Wow, that was odd. Yep, odd. But then he was trying to mess everything up. So maybe I wish. But then I heard what's going on. The pirates are using the laser camera to shoot the other characters and sabotage the race. Man, they could have killed Plankton, Gumball, let's see, the cherries, let's see, Agnes, yep, that's them. Except me, cause I'm saved from this trap. And then Andy Panda found me, and then he was trying to save me. Oh, and the Queen Elizabeth knighted to Andy Panda because he has Sir Andy Panda. Well, looks like it's late now. I must go. I'll meet you back. Later. See ya. Looks like nothing there. Maybe I should come back. Yeah, I get some coconuts. Oh, yeah. Help out. I'm coming. What is that? Look at the stuffs I found. What is that? Oh, this is a trophy. And 2 guns at the battle many years ago. And this painting. Oh. Yep. Because this is more cool. Maybe? I'm sure. Yeah, Josh, that's pretty nice. But I have to get back to Pearson Village. Oh, my home. I mean, your home? Oh, yes, I could take you there. Okay, we're gonna be best friends for... Yep. Partners? Yep, partners. And so I won't come back to China. Why not? Because Dr. Fat told me it's run away and never return. Oh, I see. Maybe you could stay with me if you want. Good. He thinks you don't want to go back to China, huh? Well, oh, that. Maybe I should find a new friend. And I know who could make it to kill him. I found him. Maybe I know who to call to get some help to do the job for me and save his business. I have another plan. Hey, Captain! Captain! Hold up now! Can't you see I'm busy? You couldn't mess up my plans.
Sorry. Oh, okay, I have a big another plan. Listen, get to my pirate ship. I got another plan. This is gonna be good.